Good morning, guys. I'm still hanging out with Stony. Misha, our Russian friend, joined. That was nice. We don't talk to him more than twice a year, I don't think. And right now, I'm just finishing the last bit of sushi I didn't eat tonight. I have a suspicion I'm just gonna end up pulling an all-nighter. Good morning, guys. Today is, without a shadow of a doubt, the best weather this year. Temperature is nice, even with it being lightly windy. I was considering going to Husum today, picking up some packages. A lot have arrived. My e-rights, wrist guards, a bunch of good stuff. But instead, I decided to make this note right here. I don't know if you can tell. I lost my green again and again bag. And I really like that thing. I think it's like the best bags for, I guess let me put it up here. There you go. Wanted, dead or alive, green again and again bag, lost at the drying racks, knock on /yes store for your reward. Yeah, I like those bags. They weigh nothing, they are great at compressing the clothes, and they don't really smell. They're just good. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna stay here. This is Yes's. I'll bring that to the room for him. Guess I'm just gonna be hanging out here today. I'll probably go to pick up a bunch of packages, maybe even all of them, during the weekend. Because in the weekend, the trains and the buses, they keep operating into the early morning, which means that I can just hang out there without having to worry about, oh shit, I gotta go, I gotta leave right now, guys. Watching some Solomon Chow. I like this guy. Developments, guys. First and foremost, I cleaned the floor in here, more or less. I sweeped in here at least. Tidied up all my tools and stuff. One of the residents here, Oliver, helped me with getting this thing in order so I could just screw it in. So now I got a door handle. Amazing. And then the owner of this place is trying to transition out of a working relationship with a documentarian, someone who makes documentary films and short films for him. And he is asking me if I might potentially be interested because of my editing, what do you call a repertoire? Like my past of having all kinds of different YouTube channels and making all kinds of videos, from short videos to like all kinds of stuff. And basically he told me to read his first book, read his second book, go to his website, watch his short movies, and kind of learn about his style, his art. And then, this is so nice, check it out. I love this door handle right here on the outside, it's beautiful. But yeah, let me just take this garbage. Gotta throw this box out from the solar panels. But yeah, it looks like I may start a working relationship with him, making documentary films for him, or any kind of media, any kind of like video, picture, sound editing that may come up. I'm pretty good with all of those. Hey, going for a bit of a ride today. The weather is so good. But I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be filming of this ride, guys. I really need to get a 360 cam, because that way I can film everything. It's just, I like riding fast. I'm listening to Henri right now. Last Summer Whisper. Oh my god, this route is so beautiful, guys. This is one of my favorite routes to ride recreationally. Oh my god, I cannot wait to move outdoors. Just 3 weeks, guys, roughly. And these guys are shooting. Huh, interesting. Oh, let's keep going. Did a bit of shopping, got some stuff for making a pizza out of these scraps. We got some potatoes, I'm gonna cut them out thinly. We got pepperonis, we got some lettuce that we can put on afterwards, as well as this dressing. Got some bits and bobs for some sushi and drinks, obviously. Guys, I just had the most refreshing shower in a long time. Whatever, I'm gonna go cook some food now. Pizza night, hopefully more successful than last time. Last time the dough kind of fucked up because of the oven, the settings weren't really that good for pizza. So I'm gonna make a thin dough this time, see if that works out. Just gonna use some leftover pepperonis and potatoes, and yeah, you'll see. Jewel and Tobias just got back. They were riding Dion's bicycle and another e-bike. They had a wonderful time. Jewel's talking about wanting to buy Dion's bicycle. Let's see. I'm gonna talk to him, see if it's possible. Because it looks like me and Dion, we're not gonna be meeting up in Denmark this time around. I think he has some personal business to attend to, so I do think that it'll probably be around the autumn or early winter that we're gonna meet up. And by then I'm gonna be in a different country, so we're probably gonna meet in a different country. He's gonna buy an e-bike in said country, and you know, he's not gonna need this one. It's just gonna be sitting here rusting up. So and it looks like Jewel would be very happy with it. They had a great bicycle ride today. They only just got home, and it's like 9 p.m. or something. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna see what I can do to get it to her for a reasonable price. Right now I'm just making pizza. We got the shredded cheese here. It's not mozzarella, it's Havarti. It's like a Danish type of cheese. Then I took these, I made them through this mandolin on the cheese grater. And yeah, I'm gonna make a potato pepperoni pizza now. Alright, the pizza is ready, and the garlic, oregano, olive oil is ready. I always apply this like 10 minutes after putting the pizza in, where the cheese is melted. It's gonna make the cheese crispy and golden and delicious. Just waiting for the oven to properly heat up. Pizza turned out amazingly. I don't have enough power on my phone to use the flash. Trust me, it looks good. Guys, I've been up all night. It's like early in the morning outside, 6-7 a.m. or so. It's funny how I placed up this wanted sign today in the kitchen, and all of a sudden, magically, my green again and again bag magically reappeared at the drying racks. It wasn't at the drying racks, but I guess someone was too ashamed to come knock on my door and get a reward. Like, I didn't care. I just wanted the bag back. It's a good bag. It weighs nothing. It's good at compressing the clothes. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I'm about to head to bed now. Just hanging out with Stony until I fall asleep. It's nice with a clean room. Floor all swept. I cleared the floor. Or rather, I stacked all Yes's stuff right here. See ya, guys.